Hi everyone, I'm Aisha and today I'm going to share with you my recent work regarding the discovery of lineage-specific structural variations in pangenus through assembly comparison. The study was conducted at China National Center for Bioinformation, Beijing Institute of Genomics, Chinese Academy of Sciences. Here is a little background of this study. So we are studying pangenus. There are only two species in this genus, bonobo and chimpanzees. They share more than 99% genomic similarity and have a short divergence time, about 1.5 to 2 million years. Despite this, they show lineage-specific differences for several traits. These differences mainly lie in the morphology, behavior, social organization, and the pattern of dominance. Bonobos are quite friendly and show egalitarian interactions, while chimpanzees are very violent and show aggressive behavior. So why studying pangenus through the lens of structural variation matters? Because structural variants comprise more genetic differences than single nucleotide variants and are more likely to affect gene expression, shape up genome evolution, and impact phenotypes. The objectives of our study: to detect the lineage-specific structural variations in pangenus, to identify the genes impacted by SVs residing in coding regions, and to unravel the potential contribution of SVs to lineage-specific differences. This is the SV detection pipeline we employed in our study. We had whole genome assemblies from human chimpanzees and bonobos. We did some assembly comparisons using BLAST-R and applied some size and region-based filter to get high-confidence SVs. These SVs were assigned to their respective lineages using custom Perl script. To identify shared SVs, we applied 50% reciprocal overlap. In addition to insertion and deletion SVs, we also identified inversions. For that, we had whole genome alignments, which were partitioned into orthologous sequences using SAM-Sub-C. InViCheck was used to screen inversions, and we got a final inversion call set. These inversions and the lineage-specific insertions and deletions together form the final SV call set for this study. Lineage-specific SV landscape across hominini. Here you can see that chimpanzees have like more than 87,000 SVs, while bonobos experienced more than 22,000 SVs. So looking at the difference in their SV counts, we can see that chimpanzee assembly is rife with structural variants, and there is a fourfold increase in SV content in chimpanzees compared to bonobos. Here are some insights regarding the LSSV count and size metrics in pangenus. Chimpanzees experienced more insertion events than deletions, while bonobo experienced more deletions than insertions. While looking at the size distribution of deletions and insertions, we saw that both variant classes differed remarkably between these two species. For example, the maximum deletion was of 93 kb and insertion was of 95 kb in chimpanzee, while it was only 25 kb deletion and 17 kb insertion in bonobos. In order to identify the regions that were abundant or depleted in structural variants, we constructed some genome-wide SV distribution maps. Here is the bonobo SV distribution across autosomes and chromosome X. Same goes with chimpanzees SV distribution. As you can see here, that chromosome 2 experienced more XV events in bonobos, while in case of chimpanzee, chromosome number 1 experienced more structural variant events. While the abundance of structural variant was non-uniform across entire genome in bonobos as well as chimpanzees. As you can see here, some of the chromosomes were depleted in structural variants in bonobo, for example, chromosome number 13, 14, 15, and chromosome number 17. To delineate the impact of SVs on protein coding genes, we annotated them using variant effect predictor. And here we can see that there are 426 genes were impacted by SVs in chimpanzee and 48 genes were impacted by SVs in bonobo. So others refer to pseudogenes and non-coding RNA genes. Structural variants which reside or disrupt the coding regions usually lead to transcript ablation or feature truncation or in-frame deletion, so that might lead to loss of function. We did some loss of function classification for the genes which were highly impacted by structural variants. There were 5 genes which were LOF tolerant in chimpanzee, and 4 genes were LOF tolerant in bonobo based on their loss of function intolerance score, which were obtained from gene constraints table from genome aggregation database. To predict the functional impact of coding SVs, we annotated them using variant effect predictor. There are 45% coding sequence variants found in bonobo lineage, while 71% coding sequence variants were found in chimpanzee lineage. The genes that were disrupted by coding sequence SVs were involved in brain function and neurological disorders, as well as they were involved in regulating body size. Functional annotation clustering of lineage-specific coding SVs in chimpanzee revealed some interesting functional categories, such as olfactory transduction, detection of chemical stimulus involved in smell perception, and G-protein coupled receptor signaling pathway. In addition to the olfactory transduction category, transcription regulation category is also found enriched. There were 22 organ receptor genes that experienced deletion SVs, and these can be attributed to the reduced smell perception found in chimpanzee. So based on these findings, we speculate that SVs might be a potential contributor to species-specific changes. We also did some differential expression analysis between the genes of bonobo and chimpanzees and found that there are 4 genes that were showing differential expression pattern exclusively in chimpanzee lineage. These were the genes those experienced structural variants in chimpanzees. Among them, there was a gene PLAC9, which is a regulator of cell growth. It experienced 2 deletion events. One was more than 13 kb and the other one was more than 4 kb deletion. And these were feature truncating variants such as stop loss, intronic variant, and 3' UTR variant. MGI knockout mouse shows increased body fat amount. So based on this study, we can on this finding, we can also speculate that SV might hold clue to existent body fat differences between two sister species. Since there exist profound behavioral differences between chimpanzees and bonobo, we try to find some SVs that occurred specifically in genes that were involved in behavior or social cognition. For that, we cataloged several genes. Some of them were involved in neurobiology and social cognition. We also got a gene list from genome-wide association studies and human phenotype ontology. On the basis of this, we saw that there were 2 genes, PNLIPRP1 and XYLB, xylulose kinase, that has experienced high impact deletions. XYLB is a xylulose kinase B gene which is associated with hippocampal volume and a determinant of social behavior and cognition. Reduction in hippocampal volume leads to depression and anxiety. Chimpanzee has experienced more than 3 kb deletion in this gene, which led to stop codon loss, intronic variant, and feature truncation. Based on this particular event, we can speculate that this particular SV event might have led to anxiety-like behavior in chimpanzees. In addition to CDs intersecting SVs, we also found some SVs that overlap with regulatory features. Here you can see that chimpanzee experienced more SVs that were disrupting the regulatory features such as promoter enhancers, TF binding sites, CTF binding sites, and promoter flanking regions. There were 5 tissue-specific enhancers that were being disrupted by structural variants in chimpanzee lineage, while there was no evidence of lineage-specific SVs disrupting any tissue-specific enhancers in bonobo lineage. Here is a summary of our findings. SV landscape remarkably differs in the 2 sister species of the pangenus. Differences mainly lie in their SV size, count, and genome-wide distribution. Many coding region SVs impact the genes that are related to brain function and neurological diseases, body size, olfactory transduction, and transcriptional regulation. So based on these findings, we speculate that SVs provide an important resource to gain insights into some key behavioral differences among chimpanzee and bonobo. However, functional validation of structure variants is needed to provide a definite conclusion about their contribution to phenotypic differences in pangenus. I would like to acknowledge the support of my Professor Huachan, my lab mates Chi Liu and Jindyao Zhou, as well as Isaac Academy of Sciences and the World Academy of Sciences for providing me funding to carry out this study. Special thanks to ISCB for giving me the opportunity to present this study. Thank you very much.